Good evening everyone. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo ninyo sa aking mga video, sa panonood, sa walang sawang panonood at shout out. Maraming salamat po.
Kung bago po kayo sa aking channel, don't forget to like and subscribe para updated po tayo sa susunod ko pong mga video. Mag-intro muna po tayo mga kaibigan at shout out na po ang susunod. Shout out at maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Shout out to Baguio Bliss Day. Shout out to Nanberry G. Shout out to M. Dolang Dulan. Shout out to Papsi Garden TV. Shout out to Dong Vlogs. Shout out to Esal the Dog. Shout out to Noy HS. Shout out to Miko Tessans. Shout out to Basowi Cree. Shout out to Mariana Shiker. Shout out to Susun D. Duran Adam. Shout out to Shadow. Shout out to Papsi Garden TV. Shout out to Dong Vlogs. Shout out to Pil Mix Vlog Palawan. Shout out to Rasowi with Rusi. Shout out to Tem Ermax. Shout out to MP Babiri. Shout out to Just Eat. Shout out to Jocelyn Barlam Vlog. Shout out to Miloy Vlog. Shout out to Boyet M Channel. Shout out to Kanha Garden. Shout out to Raymond San Jose. Shout out to Tikberto Electronics. Shout out to Gifted Anointed Crops and Dolls. Shout out to Glenn Torrio Channel. Shout out to Junito Marinado Vlog. Shout out to Aado Wali. Shout out to Busing Natambay. Shout out to Liza and Jose Razel Laurenti Vlog. Shout out to Pedro Romano 73 Sporty. Shout out to EEG Mix Vlog. Shout out to Victory Space TV. Shout out to Atemers. Shout out to Holy Quran Recitation 86. Shout out to Rodolph Oy Studio. Shout out to Marasigan Channel 72. Shout out to DJ Juanela. Shout out to Vlogger Kuno. Shout out again to Papsi Garden TV. Shout out again to Dong Vlogs. Shout out to you Bispod in Punjab. Shout out to you Agustina Yasuokaji. Shout out to Uncle 7K Franco Castro. Shout out again to DJ Juanela. Shout out to Noli Boy and Family Vlog. Shout out to Ono Fishing. Shout out to Miguel Moidas Raras. Shout out to Bicolana Kauragan Vlog. Shout out to Lisa Tony Vlogs. Shout out to Inday and Bugoy in Japan. Shout out to Wiwisels Diati. Shout out to Rasmi Tiagis Kitchen. Shout out to Herminia Sakyap. Shout out again to Marasigan Channel 72. Shout out again to Holy Quran Recitation 86. Shout out to Miguel Moidas Raras. Shout out to Melvin Lusaria. Shout out to Didi Moniz Anunciando a Palabra. Shout out to Lee E. Haido. Shout out to Buhay Barrio TV. Shout out to Mahia Easy Drawing. Shout out to Chrissy Prag Rainbow Skies. Shout out to Gifted Anointed Crops and Dolls. Shout out to Ernesto Gutlay. Again to Rodolph Oy Studio. Shout out to Lex TV Official. Shout out to DGM Mix Vlog. Shout out to According to Jeep. Shout out to Vlogger Kuno. Shout out to Cabiteño Farmer. Shout out to Elvira's Family Life Vlogs. Shout out again to Vlogger Kuno. Shout out to Irene Channel Pitaniburo. Shout out to Studio Itoy Bang Itoy. Shout out to Mano Paul Kit. Shout out to Inday Bill. Shout out to MC Music Channel. Shout out to Shadow. Shout out to Agustina Yasuokaji. Shout out to Frank Castro. Shout out to Chrissy Prag Rainbow Skies. Shout out to Ismay on Life. Shout out to Miguel Moidas Raras. Shout out to Ernesto Gutlay. Shout out to Didi Moniz Anunciado a Palabra. Shout out to Holy Quran Recitation. Shout out again to Popsi Garden TV. Shout out again to Dong Vlogs. Shout out to Loo Tindong. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa panonood ng aking video.